Good morning, class. Let us start with the next exercise, the last exercise of chapter 11, perimeter and area, exercise 11.4, which is completely based on applications. It's an application based exercise, means we'll apply the formulas and everything. It's like where we can include triangle, rectangle, square, parallelogram, mixture to have the various scenarios, in the coming thing. So exercise 11.4. Let us see first question. Question 1 to 5 are same. I do 2 questions, rest of the question you can try. Almost same, they are almost same. Question number 1. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path of 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of path, also find the area of garden in hectares. Understand the question. Question number 1. We have a rectangular garden. I draw the figure here. We have a rectangular garden, 90 meter long, 75 meter broad. Clear? And there is a path 5 meter wide. 5 meter wide means like this, like this, like this, like this. 5 meter wide, 5 meter wide, 5 meter wide, 5 meter wide. It means this is the extra path. Yes or no? This is the extra path. Let's see the extra one. This is what it means. The path, extra one. What we'll do, we'll name it A, B, C, D, and this is E, F, G, H. The question is find the area of path. Area of path means we have to find this. We have to find this. This complete thing we have to find. The shaded portion we have to find. How to do it? First of all, what we'll do? We'll find the area of this lawn, the garden. So area of garden is equal to area of garden ABCD. Can I say it's length into breadth, that is 90 into 75? Yes or no? That is 90 into 75. What is 90 into 75? It is 6750 meters square on multiply. But the thing is, we have to find in hectares. 1 hectare, please note down, this is very important conversion. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. This is important conversion on the basis of application, very important. So we can say 1 meter square is equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectare as per the conversion. Therefore 6750 meter square is equal to 6750 upon 10,000 hectares. 0 0 cancel, you will be getting 0.675 hectares is the answer. That is the area of the garden. Are we clear? Now we have to find the area of the outer part, the outer one, EFGH, area of rectangle EFGH. Why I am writing rectangle EFGH? Because this already includes the path, right? But before that, we need to know the length and breadth of this EFGH. That is also very important. Let's see what I am doing. This is what width means. Width is from everywhere 5. Now understand, this is also 5, this is also 5, this is also 5, this is also 5. This is 90. If I am talking about EFG, means EF side, this is 90. Extra 5 here will be added. So what will be the complete length of EF? That will be 90 plus 5 plus 5, that is 90 plus 10, that is 100 meter. Yes or no? 5 from here, because extra width is there. This is 90, 5 extra here, 5 extra here. So what will be the complete EF? EF will be what? 90 plus 5 plus 5, that is 90 plus 10, 100. Similarly, if I see from this side, this is 75. This is 75. If I add 5 here, what I'll be getting? 75 plus 5 plus 5, that is 75 plus 10, that is 85 meter. Hence, we got the length and breadth of the outer. Are we clear? Next, let us see. Therefore, you write. Before that, length of rectangle EFGH is equal to 90 plus 5 plus 5, that is 90 plus 10, that is 100 meter. Similarly, the breadth of EFGH is 75 plus 5 plus 5, that is 75 plus 10, that is 85 meter. Again, area, length into breadth, that is 100 into 85, will be getting 8500 meters square. In hectares, it will be divided by 10,000, will be getting 0.85 hectares. Now, to find the area of path, is equal to area of rectangle EFGH, because it includes the path, minus area of garden ABCD, that is 8500 and that is 6750. You'll be getting 0.571 meters square, but we'll convert it into hectares, so it will be 0.175 hectare is the answer. 3 answers we got. Are we clear with the question? Any doubt with the question? How to do? First the inner garden, then the outer, but outer we need to include this width also. Then find the area, then we'll subtract, we'll get the area of path. Are we clear? Question number 2, it's exactly same. Question number 2, it's exactly same like question number 1. Let's see the question number 3. Question number 2, 4 and 5 are exactly same. So based on this, you can do question number 2 and question number 4. Let's see question number 3. Let's see question number 3 now. Understand question number 3. We have a cardboard, and cardboard is to be painted on a picture is to be painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 5 cm wide, such that there is a margin of 1.5 cm along each side of a side. Understand? Again, we are having a cardboard, right? 8 cm and 5 cm long. Along this, a margin of 1.5. See, whenever we paint the cardboard, we always include the margin inside it, not the outside. So we'll include the margin inside. Like how? 1.5 from here, 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 and 1.5 from here, 1.5 from here. Now, just match. We got the another rectangle here. We got the another rectangle. So let's name it A, B, C, D. And this is E, F, G, H. It's something like we paint. It's something like we paint something. That is what is the point. So if I say this complete is 8, this is 1.5, 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 this is 1.5. Earlier what we were doing, we added. Now what we'll do, we'll find the area of rectangle ABCD, that is length into breadth, that is 8 into 5, that is 40 centimeter. We have to find the area of margin. Total area covered by the margin. Total area covered by margin means what? This is what we have to find. Here the picture is there. This is what we have to do. So what we have to do? From complete, if we subtract this area, we'll be getting the answer. Now, but we know the width of outside, we don't know the width of this. This 8 centimeter includes 1.5 from here, 1.5 from here. Similarly, this 5 includes 1.5 from here, 1.5 from here. What we'll do to find this? Yes, exactly the reciprocal of the previous question. Now this will be 8 minus 1.5 plus 1.5. That is 8 minus 3, that is 5. So this is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Similarly, this 5 minus 3, this is 2 centimeter. Hence we got the length and breadth of the outline. So length of rectangle EFGH is equal to what? 8 minus 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 8 minus 3, that is 5 centimeter. Because the margin is already the part of 8. So we have to find the area of picture covered, then we'll subtract. Next, breadth of rectangle EFGH, that is 5, 1.5 minus 1.5, that is 5, minus 3, again 2 centimeter. Therefore, area of rectangle EFGH is length into breadth, that is 5 into 2, that is 10 centimeters square. Therefore, area of margins covered, very easy question. Area of rectangle means cardboard minus area of rectangle EFGH means picture, will be getting 40 minus 10, that is 30 centimeters. This is the answer. Any doubt anyone is having it with this question? I'll try to show you one thing, what I'm talking about. Give me a minute, I'll try to show you that what we are talking about. I'll try to show you what this question is about. Just look at this. This is exact this question. Cardboard, picture, the margin. We have found that 30 centimeter square is this area I'm talking about. This area is the margin. Are we clear? This question is exact replica of this particular thing. Are we clear? Any doubt anyone is having with this question? Question number 5 is exactly based on this question. You can try. Are we clear? Question number 6. So till 1 to 5 questions you can try, they are completely based on this. Question number 6. Again, question number 6 and 7. Exactly same. Exactly same. Understand the question. Statement of this question seems to be very difficult, very lengthy. But the easier part of this question is to understand. It is given, I'll try to recapitulate in a very easy language. It is given that we have a rectangular park. And you can relate to this question very well because you people all who visit parks, gardens every day, you can relate to this question. In this rectangular park, we have two roads which cut each other at 90 degree of width 10 centimeter. This is first road, 10 meter, Another road, since 90 degrees given, so the roads are cutting like this each other. These are roads, 10 meter wide. The question is, find the area of roads. Second part is, find the area of park excluding roads. So what we have to do? We have to find the area of roads. What do you mean by finding the area of roads? Means what we have to find in true sense, we have to find this, no? We have to find this only, nothing else. This is what area of road is. This is we have to find. But if you observe clearly, let me name it, it will help you. A, B, C, D is the complete garden. Roads are E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. It will really help you. The naming will really help you. That's why I am doing the naming. Now understand, area of roads. Since this E, F, F, H I am talking about is parallel to AB. If this is 700, this also is 700. If this is 300, this is also 300. Because they are parallel. This is what? Now, area of roads is equal to area of rectangle EFGH plus area of rectangle IJKL. What is length? Length is 700 into 10. Here 300 into 10. That is 7,000 plus 3,000. We got the answer 10,000. Right? You might be thinking, yeah, this is what the answer is. Sure. How many of you think this is the answer? Yes. Many of you might be getting 10,000, but some of you are thinking, no sir, it's not the right answer. This is not the right. Yes, it's not the right answer. See, what is the thing that we missed in this question? That we didn't mention, we didn't even consider. While moving from this to this way, this path is common. And when we are moving from this way to this way, again, this particular path is common. Yes or no? If I move along this side, this path is coming. If I am coming this way, again this path is coming. So this particular path, square, NNOP is coming 2 times in the area. But how many times we have to include? We have to include it 1 time only. So it will be included 1 time. So what we'll do? 1 time we'll subtract. That is why the answer is not correct. Because this area, this square is coming this way also, this way also. But we can include 1 time only, no? Because we have to find the area. So either we'll be including this particular part like this or this. So hence 1 time will subtract it. Therefore, yes, minus area of square MNOP. This is very important. So that is side into side square, that is 10 centimeter. So 100. Your answer is 9900 meters square. Why it is 10? Because if this is 10, this is parallel. This is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10. That is why it is a square. So 9900 meters square. Into hectares it will be 9900 upon 10,000. 0 0 cancel. It is 0.99 hectare. Now area of road, area of garden excluding roads. So area of garden. Garden is a which shape? Rectangle, that is length into breadth. That is 700 into 300. We will be getting 2,10,000 meters square. Into hectares it will be 21 hectares. So area of garden excluding roads, excluding means not included, excluding crossroads. So what we'll do, we'll subtract From this, we'll subtract this. So, area of road means area of garden minus area of roads. That is what we'll be getting. We'll be getting 2 lakh 100 meters square area. If we'll convert into hectares, 0 0 cancel. Don't do this blunder कि आप ये zeros भी zero से cancel कर रहे हो. No, zeros जो आपके n में है वही zero cancel करते हैं. Hence, we'll put the decimal 20.01 hectare is the answer. Are we clear with the question? Question number 7 is exactly same to this question. There is no difference in that question. Are we clear? Any doubt anyone is having in this question? Question number 8. Wrap a chord. Chord means complete wire, circular wire, complete wire. A chord into a circle of 4 centimeter radius, and then she converted into a square of 4 centimeter. Understand the question? She was having a wire, complete wire. She wrapped that wire around the 4 centimeter means a circular pipe. Extra she cut. After that, on wrapping to the circular pipe, she wrapped the same wire on a square of 4 centimeter. Question is any part of the wire left? So what will you do? Very easy question. You will find the circumference of a circle, because wrapping is always done on what? Boundary. So circumference, you will find the perimeter of a circle and you will subtract perimeter of a square, 4 into side, 2 pi r. You will subtract. If you are getting any answer, that is the leftover pi. Clear with the question? Any doubt? Very easy. Find the circumference of the circle, perimeter of square, subtract the perimeter of square from circumference of the circle. That is what is the leftover pi. Question number 9. Very easy. Again, we are having a rectangular part of width, length 10 meter, width 5 meter. On the center, we have a flower bed circular in shape with 2 centimeter. I think it is also centimeter. First question is find the area of lawn. Lawn is in which shape? Rectangle. So L into D you can find. Very easy. Very easy question. I am just giving you a repeat. Second is find the area of flower garden. Flower bed. Flower bed is in which shape? Circle. So area of flower bed pi r square. Part 3. Then we are having area of lawn excluding the flower bed. It means first minus second. From the complete we'll subtract this, we'll be getting the area of lawn. Fourth part, circumference of flower bed. Very easy. That is 2 pi. Any doubt anyone is having with this question? Very easy. Clear? Any doubt?